At your school's end of the year field day, they have a competition to see who can throw a football the farthest. This competition is a little different from normal. Instead of standing behind a line and everyone throwing the football in the same direction, they put each competitor in the middle of a circle and ask how far that competitor can throw the football, regardless of direction. Aaron goes first. He throws the football 100 feet straight north. After him is Benjamin. Benjamin throws the ball off to the northeast 70 feet. You go third. You throw the ball to the west 120 feet. And finally is Christopher. Christopher throws the football southeast 85 feet. Who wins? Well, you do. You threw the football the farthest. If we don't care about direction, only distance, then you are the champion of this competition. Let's simplify this a little more. Imagine you are in a hallway or a tunnel, but the same rules apply. We're just looking for who is throwing the football the farthest, regardless of direction. Zach goes first. He throws his football 75 feet to the left. You go second and throw the football from the same spot 92 feet to the right. Who wins? Again, you do, because if direction doesn't matter, only distance, 92 is larger than 75. This is a real-world example of absolute value. Absolute value is the distance a number is from zero regardless of direction. So, for example, we need to take 4 steps to the left to go from 0 to -4. We go 4 steps to the right to go from 0 to +4. -4 and +4 are the same distance from 0. If we don't care about direction, if this was the football throwing competition and one person threw it 4 feet this way and the other person threw it 4 feet this way, that would be a tie. The absolute value of -4 is 4. To get from 0 to -4, we take 4 steps. The absolute value of +4 is also 4. To go from 0 to +4, we take 4 steps. They are the same. Notice that we put the number we're curious about in between these two vertical lines. If you see a number in between these vertical lines, that means you are being asked to find the absolute value of the number in the middle. The absolute value of -4 is 4. The absolute value of +4 is also 4. Here's another example. What is the absolute value, as indicated by these two vertical lines, of -7? To go from 0 to -7, you would need to take 7 steps to the left. Therefore, the absolute value of -7 is 7. It takes 7 steps to get there from 0. What's the absolute value of +3? Again, we have two vertical lines and the number 3 in the middle. To go from 0 to 3, you would need to take 3 steps to the right. We don't care about direction, just the number of steps. So the absolute value of +3 is 3. Here are 4 more examples. What is the absolute value of +4? How many steps does it take to get from 0 to 4? It takes 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about -9? What's the absolute value of -9? It takes you 9 steps to go from 0 to -9. We don't care about direction, just the number of steps. Now, these next 2 examples won't fit on the number line, but you should be able to figure them out. What's the absolute value of +3,472? How many steps would it take to go from 0 to 3,472? 3,472 steps. And finally, what is the absolute value of negative 167? How many steps would it take to go from 0 to negative 167? The answer? 167 steps. Final thing that you should notice. Every single answer that we have had has been a positive number. There is no such thing as negative absolute value. Negative numbers can have an absolute value, but the answer is always positive. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or stop into my office hours, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Have a great day. Goodbye.